Mag-school ka na po?
Apo.
Sige, I'm your teacher ha. I'll ask you, what is your name?
My name
Is?
Leo.
Alexia.
Leta. Piano.
Very good. How old are you, baby?
2.
You're 2 years old. What is the name of your daddy?
Daddy Zen.
What is the name of your mommy?
Mommy Zen.
Sige, where is your nose? Turo mo, you put your book down muna.
Bye-bye.
Wait lang, hindi pa tapos.
Bye-bye.
Oops. Okay, game. Where is your nose?
Teacher.
Nose.
Yes.
Okay. Where is your mouth?
Dito.
This.
This.
Where is your eyes?
This.
And your hair?
This.
Your head. Head.
This.
And where is your ears?
Ace.
Your teeth?
See.
Where?
This.
Is your teeth white?
Apple.
Where is your tongue? Very good. Where is your tummy?
Sammy.
Tummy.
This.
That. Where is your shoulder? Shoulder.
Ito.
Yan. And where is your hands? Hands, baby. Hands. Hands. That one. Where's the other one? Where is your feet? Where? Oh, where's your knees? Where are your knees? Knees, yun. And where is your neck? Yun. Where is your chubby cheeks?
Oh.
Cheeks. Cheeks. Very good ka. Opo. You want to go to school na?
Apple.
Sige, you go to school. Where are your books? Get your books.
Asan na?
Bye! See you!
See you.
Love you!
Hello.
Bye!
Pito.
Door?
Apple.
Close. School ka na ba?
Apple.
Sige, bye!
Bye-bye.
Hindi ka pa ligo eh. Ligo ka muna.
Hindi.
Baho ka.
Apple.
It's okay?
Apple.
It's okay even if you're mabaho?
Apple.
Ew! Say yuck! Say bye-bye na.